Hello, and welcome back to the instructional video collection for Web 111 Introduction to Web Graphics. In the last video, we discussed working with layers and demonstrated how to use them and why they are helpful. In this video, I'm going to perform an example utilizing the drawing and painting tools. Specifically, we will create a composite image using various components. Let's get started. In this video, I picked the movie poster lab from Chapter 4 of the workbook to demonstrate for you. Here is an example of the finished product. Let's close it and get started. Alright, first we need to open the main background image. File, Open, Extend 4.1 Movie Poster. Of course, we need to save this as edited because we would never want to modify the original. Save. We need to create a gradient for the sky background. Let's create a new layer called Sky. Now we need to select the sky. Scroll down till you get to the horizon. Of course, you want this marquee tool selected to do this. Now that we have that selected, we want to create a gradient and select the gradient tool. Now if you don't see the gradient tool, perhaps you see the paint bucket, right click on it to select the gradient tool. We want to make sure we have the linear style gradient selected. Okay, click in the sample gradient box to display the gradient editor. Now we're looking for the bottom left color stop. Select that, click on color. We want to select a dark blue, so let's choose a dark blue since we're creating a sky effect. Click OK. Now on the right gradient color stop, I'm going to change it from white to light blue. Let's select maybe that. OK. That looks like good sky color. Click OK. Now to create the gradient, click the top of the image, center, to the bottom of the selection, center, and release. And there you have a sky. Control D deselects. So far so good. Let's create a gradient for the bottom portion of the poster. Create a new layer. Call it Footer. Again, using the rectangular select tool, we want to select the bottom 2 inches of the poster. Select the gradient tool again. Still linear. This time we're going to use one of the presets. Select the second preset. Let's close the editor, click OK. To create the gradient, click on the bottom and drag to the top. Looks good. Control D deselects. Now let's open the text file to add to the bottom. Open text. We want to add this to the image, or so I like to do it side by side. Select the Move tool, select the text, drag it over to the poster, release anywhere, close the text file. Now with the Move selection still selected, we can adjust it. Now we need to add the movie rating. So File, Open, Movie Rating. Again, using with the windows side by side, it's easy to drag and drop. Close this file. Now we can position this appropriately. Now let's create the movie title portion. Let's select the horizontal type tool and then click and drag a portion of the top. Trojan Pro font, and I know we need it to be size 78. I also know we need to change the color from black to white. Click OK. Now we can type away. Didn't exactly fit, so we just need to move this a little bit. Maybe extend this here. Now if we select the Move tool, we can adjust it however we need to. We also need to add an effect to this title. We'll stroke it. Now let's add a subtitle. Select the text tool again. change the font to 24 and type in the subtitle. Very good. To arrange it properly, click on the Move tool. It's really starting to come together. Now let's add the movie reel. File, Open. Again, side by side. Close that image. Now we need to adjust this movie reel, so let's hit Control T to open the transformation settings. Now we can click and drag, position it just how we want it. And there you have it. The completed movie poster. Let's save it. File, save. If we wanted to email this, we would definitely want to put it in a different format than PSD. Let's say we wanted to put it in a TIFF format. So in order to do that, we'd want to flatten the image and save as movie poster complete. And let's change the format to a TIFF. Click OK. There you have it. Well, that about does it for video 5. I hope this demonstration of drawing and painting tools was helpful. Check out the next video in this series that will walk you through restoring a document. Thanks.